Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can fix your Spectrum modem blinking a blue and white. But first things first, let's understand why this problem is happening. So either your router is trying to connect to the internet, or what's happening is the router is booting up after being turned off. So what are the solutions? So one is to actually check for outages on the Spectrum support page. You can come here, check outages, and then just select am I in the outage area from the chat options. Just provide your email or phone number to sign in, enter your zip code, and then you want to check the outage information and the reply. And then what you can also do is you can check the cable connections from the router to the modem. So make sure it is a firm connection, it doesn't feel loose. And we can also do is check the other end of the cord connection connected to your modem as well. And if the cable actually looks frayed or split, or if it has a loose fit, you want to use a new Ethernet code. Instead, use a new cord. And then what you can also do, guys, you can disconnect devices from your Wi-Fi network. So if you have a lot of wireless devices connected to your router, it may be overloaded and temporarily lose internet service. So you want to disconnect any devices you aren't using and see if your router starts working properly again. And what you can also do, guys, is you can go ahead and try connecting directly from the modem and to your laptop to check the internet status, okay? And if your device still doesn't connect, then there may be an issue with your Spectrum service or the modem as well. What you can do, of course, you can also try to restart your router. You can unplug it for 2 minutes, plug it back in, that should work. Or the router usually has a button at the back. You can hold it down for about 10 seconds to cycle the power. Otherwise, you can, of course, try plugging it back out and in. It's really that easy and simple. But if that even doesn't work, you can go ahead and try resetting the modem and router and just do this. So do this, plug it out for about 30 seconds, disconnect it, wait at least 30 seconds, and then reconnect the modem and let it power on until the red light, the light turns solid, and wait a bit, 2 minutes, and then you can check your device for a wireless connection if it actually works. If none of these still work, guys, you will have to basically just contact Spectrum customer service and see if they can set up an appointment, maybe for a representative, a technician, to come and have a look. But it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide was of value to you. If it was, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.